technically it's a 1983 Volkswagen Rabbitt, but it's been converted to rear-wheel drive using Fiada subframes, an S2000 motor, and a Mustang rear end, and then it's a full carbon wide body and aero kit designed by me. This is my local track for testing and tuning between Big Willow and Streets of Willow. This is where I kind of dial everything in.
Do you race anywhere else besides here?
Yes, yeah, the purpose for this test and tune is we're running SuperLapBattle in Texas in February at the Circuit of the Americas Formula 1 track. So we're just trying to get everything sorted out so we can compete in the event out there. I haven't been there, so it'll be my first time at that track. So kind of a new thing for me. The car's only been driving for about 4 months, so it was a 3-year project that just got completed. So it's for the most part a stock S2000 long block, and then I'm running 4 individual throttle bodies with a custom built plenum, Shiv Motorsports turbo manifold, and a Precision 6062 turbocharger. The car makes probably close to 550, 600 depending on the boost level, but right now we're around 18 pounds of boost, which will get us at 600. My name is Justin Bayless. This is my car. I do composite work and carbon fiber work, so if anyone's interested in getting some work done on their car or some consulting for it, you can reach me at my Instagram, which is at S2KWabbit on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to Rody Thomas's YouTube channel.
And also check us out on Twitter at RealWSIR. Rody's always out here doing something, filming something. He gets all the background, he gets all of the behind the scenes stuff because he knows me, so make sure you check him out and like and subscribe his channel.